Hey, welcome back. On today's update, Robinhood One, its crypto business, is heavily reliant on Dogecoin. The company says a substantial portion of its recent revenue growth has come from Dogecoin trading. As they prepare to go public, online brokerage service Robinhood has filed its Form S-1 with the SEC. Much of the company's recent growth is connected to the rise of Dogecoin. If demand for Dogecoin decreases, the document warns the business could be adversely affected. As they prepare to go public, Robinhood has filed its Form S-1 with the Securities and Exchange Commission, aka SEC. Along with its role in clarifying some of the specifics around an impending public offering, in this case, share will be listed on Nasdaq under the ticker symbol HOOD, and S lay out some of the risks associated with investing in a company stock. For Robinhood, those risks apparently involve, drumroll please, Dogecoin. Robinhood had this to say: a substantial portion of our recent growth in our net revenues earned from cryptocurrency transactions is attributable to transaction in Dogecoin. Read the filing. If demand for transaction in Dogecoin decline, it's not replaced by new demand for other cryptocurrency available for trading on our platform, our business financial condition, and the result of operation could be adversely affected. So why are they saying this? It might be due to this. The company filing suggests that the negative perception of Dogecoin and the increased availability of Dogecoin on other cryptocurrency trading platforms could potentially suppress demand for the coin on Robinhood. I would be mad too because 17% of that company total revenue in quarter one of this year came from fees on crypto trades, and 34% of that revenue came specifically from Dogecoin. Overall, revenues are way up this year too. Robinhood took in $522 million in quarter one alone. How much did you take in?